Hello and welcome to the Start Homeschooling Summit. I am Kelly George from Fearless Homeschool and I have gathered together 28 amazing homeschooling experts to give you 34 fantastic and extremely helpful workshops all about homeschooling. And the best thing, they are all free during the week of the summit. So there's no fluff or filler here. We have crammed these workshops full of actionable step-by-step ideas that you can start to use right away. So if you are new to homeschooling, or if you are feeling a little overwhelmed by how you're meant to take on the responsibility of teaching your child, or if you are more experienced but you would like some fresh ideas and inspiration, then you can stop stressing because we are here to help. We're going to teach you how to get started well, how to get the right mindset for successful homeschooling, and how to teach lots of different subjects, including the tricky ones like science and maths. We will introduce you to homeschooling styles and approaches that are way more fun and effective than anything a school can do. We have a few special workshops about homeschooling teens, and we will also show you how to plan and manage your homeschool and your life so that everything actually gets done. And it's all coming from experienced homeschooling parents. We've been there, we've done it, we're doing it now, and this is the stuff we wish we'd known when we started out. So please join us for the free workshops. All you need to do is sign up using the link below and you will receive the invitations, the downloads, and the links directly in your inbox. Now, finally, if you love the Start Homeschooling Summit, we have also put together a fantastic upgrade. So as well as the video, audio, and download from every single one of the workshops, we've also all contributed a bundle of great products. There's ebooks, courses, discounts, memberships, more workshops, and they are all aimed at helping you homeschool better. And it's amazing value because I know that us homeschoolers really like a bargain. So don't forget, you can sign up and attend the workshops absolutely free using the link below. But if you'd like to be able to watch or listen to all of the workshops forever, whenever it's convenient for you, plus receive access to hundreds of dollars worth of bonuses, you can upgrade at any time. Now, thank you so much for joining us. We're really looking forward to bringing you the best homeschooling help that you will receive all year. We'll see you there.